Do you all remember the cassava leaves and firewood I collected from the farm with my sisters in my previous video? We are using it today. Unfortunately, I was sleeping, came out to find my mom had started with the soup. As you all know, our main source of cooking is through this traditional cooking stove with firewood. My dad went to the farm today, brought in some fresh maize. I took one, collected some coal fire from this stove to roast my maize. As it was being roasted, I was taking the part that has been roasted to eat, to chew. It tastes so well. The juice from this maize was so amazing. So I wanted to capture the whole process of this soup preparation, but trust me, as I'm still in the village, I will definitely upload a video where the soup is being prepared. We mostly take this with TZ or Banku. And today we are going to take this soup with Banku. In my own opinion, I think this traditional cooking stove is faster than gas. This is because if you get a well-dried firewood, oh, your food you will get cooked in no time. So that was it. She added okra and pepper to it. My mom is the lover of pepper, and the whole family we don't like pepper that much, and so she always have pepper, 2 or 3 pepper put inside the soup, which she adds it to her food. In my family house, as you've seen in my previous video, we have animals in the house, like the goat, dogs, birds, and the rest. So during the day, we open the pen of the goat to come out, have fresh air, and in the evening, we put them back into their pen. Look at how this soup is boiling, so nice. If you're a typical northerner in Ghana, you know this kind of soup, cassava leaves with okra. This tastes so good. She was preparing this green on the stove and was preparing the soup base on a coal pot inside the kitchen. That one has meat, oil, that's palm oil, tomatoes, pepper, and some ingredients. I promise to upload a video of that. The heat from this fire was too much. My mom stirred the soup up to hasten the cooking process. And this is momoni. She kept momoni in the soup and dawa dawa. That's locust beans. I think that is the right name. She added some to the soup and the soup was almost done. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for your support. Enjoy the rest of the video.